Look at this Mr. Frog. You wanna kiss Mr. Frog? No? No? No kiss? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. Oh, wow, I know. Oh my gosh. Come on. Alright. Look, this is so cool. What's this? Uh-oh, blind bag. Do you remember this toy you picked up? You picked it out from the last time we went toy hunting? It's another one. Yeah. 1, finding Dory. 2, finding Dory. What else in here? 3, finding Dory. Oh my goodness. What do they have here? Learning songs and tunes and phrases. Laugh and learn puppies activity home. This seems really fun. Oh my goodness. How about we open this? Do you want to open this, TK? Yeah? Okay, sit down. Mommy will open it for you, okay? Okay, let's explore this funny puppy learning activities together. Let's see what they have. The door opens. Okay, so you can learn ABC.
It's learning time.
And the lights go off too.
Butterflies in the garden or the sky. Red and yellow, green and blue. Purple flowers, pick what to do.
That is so much fun. So this is the bag. It has a number 1 to 10. And you can flip it up. Okay, so let's see what else come along with it. Look at this little puppy. It's making noise. You can shake it. How fun. What else in there, TK? Can mommy see the frog? What's the frog? What's Mr. Frog? Look at this Mr. Frog. You wanna kiss Mr. Frog? No? No? No kiss. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. Yay! Oh, okay. You want mommy to shake it? Okay, so we'll put Mr. Frog in here. Peekaboo!
Uh-oh. Peekaboo! I see you, monkey.
Okay, and what else over here? You can turn the light up. Oh, you want to open the blind bag? Okay, we can open the blind bag and then play with our toys, okay? Alright, here, mommy can open the blind bag for you. Ready? Wanna open this one? Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see who we get this time. Oh my gosh, Pearl! Isn't she adorable? Look at Pearl, she's so cute. I love that. Ready for a second one? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do we have this one? I think this is Becky. Isn't Becky cute? Becky's silly. Silly Becky, right? Okay, what's the other one? Alright, our last blind bag. So we can have a little toys in the house. Oh, TK, that is such a good idea. And this is the hermit crab. Look at this. Look at the angry hermit crab. Huh? Sing with me.
Come on, let's sing. Where'd you peekaboo?
It's the monkey. What is this? Okay, the sun is up and then the moon is out. Okay, let's see what's over here. We scroll this. Can we scroll this?
Uh-oh. Peekaboo. I see you, monkey.
I see you.
Down.
So if we move from ABC to the musical button.
Music time.
Oh, yeah, music time.
Chirp, chirp. Fun, fun.
Daisy, yeah.
Ribbit. Frogs, bees, butterflies. Bird, dog, cricket.
Where's Mr. Puppy? We can open this and see who's in here. Oh, we see Mr. Puppy. Hello, I'm Mr. Puppy. And then we see Mr. Frog. I know, Mr. Puppy. Mr. Frog. Frog, frog, frog. And let's see. Oh, we see the hermit crab. Okay, you don't want to see them anymore? You want to close the roof? Okay, we can close this. No? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are we moving all of our residents outside? Oh, Tika, you push. Yeah. Anybody home? Anybody home? Huh? Come on in. Mr. Frog is home. How can I help you? Yeah, we just shake Mr. Frog and Mr. Puppy. Huh? Can Becky go inside? Okay, Becky can go inside. Alright. What a cutie. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to our channel. High five, TK. No, you're gonna let Mom hanging. You're gonna let Mom hanging. Okay, Mom's a little sad, but maybe next time. Oh, what is going on, TK?